Now, a new poll has revealed how like buttons, push notifications and so-called triggering content are the most toxic elements of social media. It's highlighted the importance of another scroll-free September this year, a campaign by the Royal Society for Public Health encouraging people to reduce social media use. Well, let's take you live now to central London and speak with Emma Walker, a PhD student at University College London's Institute for Epidemiology and Healthcare. Very good afternoon to you. First of all, what did this survey show then?
So I was actually involved with an event with young people where we were asking them their opinions, and this was based on some research done by my Professor Yvonne Kelly, looking at linking depression to extensive use of social media in young people.
And so what were the young people that you spoke to saying that social media was triggering in particular in them?
Things such as lowered self-esteem, disruption to sleep, online harassment, and issues with body image when you see so much content online.
All huge issues in themselves. Yeah. Whilst speaking to them and looking at this research that was done by your professor, has it changed the way you view your own social media and the use of your phone? And if so, how?
Yeah, absolutely. So I was getting involved with this research and thought, hang on, a lot of this is actually so relevant to me, and that triggered me to delete my Instagram and also get involved with stuff like the Royal Society of Public Health's Scroll Free September campaign, and really trying to encourage people as well to take this time off and see how that can help their mood and their time and their concentration, all those sorts of things.
What's been your experience in terms of your mood and your concentration when you scroll through your phone, and how do you hope this to positively change it?
Yeah, absolutely huge. It just makes such a difference. I think you've got so much more time. I can concentrate so much better when I'm at work, when I'm not scrolling on my phone, and also just feeling a lot more in the moment and not distracted. Yeah, it's really good.
So scroll-free September encompasses, I presume, quite a lot of things. We're not just talking about having a break from social media. We're effectively saying you're not going to use your phone other than for phone calls. Is that right?
I think it's mainly social media, and there's also lots of different things you can pledge for. So you can say there's one called Night Owl, where you say that you're not going to use your phone once you've gone to bed, or Social Butterfly, where you don't use your phone when you're meeting people socially. So there's lots of different ways, because I think it's definitely about smart usage of phones and smart usage of social media. It's what's appropriate to you. So you can do whichever one of those might work out.
And do you think that just by having this month, it's actually, a time to reflect, actually stepping away from your phone probably makes you realise quite how addicted to it you are?
Definitely, definitely. I didn't realise how much I'm on my phone until I kind of thought, hang on, this needs to stop. And you just realise you have to have so much more time. And just that opportunity to reflect, and this is how much of a part of my life is my phone and social media.
I think for a lot of people, they feel, and I include myself in this, if I'm to put my phone down and not scroll for September, I'm going to be missing out on so many things. I think journalists are justified in feeling like that. They probably do need to be on social media and the like. But
absolutely.
For other people, it's not the be-all and end-all if they don't see every Instagram story that their friends post from that day, is it?
No, yeah, and it's for you. So, for example, I am still on Twitter because I use that professionally, whilst this was more about my life and my personal Instagram. So I think you can still use it in ways that are relevant to you, but just to be aware of how it is affecting you, I suppose. Okay, well, you've heard of Veganuary, now it's Scroll-Free September. Emma Walker, thanks very much indeed. You certainly inspired me to think twice about scrolling. Thanks very much.